Changing your username on SHEIN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the SHEIN app or website and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the account option in the menu. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Edit Profile or something similar. Click on it to access your profile information. Step 4. Change your username. Find the field that displays your current username. Delete the existing username and enter your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and confirm the update. Now you have successfully changed your username on SHEIN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SHEIN customer support for assistance.